Hey y'all, welcome back to my video, or welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a hairstyle on my hair. I'm going to be doing a low braided ponytail. My hair is still somewhat kind of straight. It's kind of wavy right now because I've been having it braided up for the past 2 weeks. Since we're, under quarantine, I've been fortunate that I can still work. I'm now working from home, so I haven't really had to go anywhere except from here into the store. So I'm back with another video. Hey y'all, in today's video I'm going to be doing, so as you can see, I was going to start this as a talk to video, but that didn't work out, so I'm just doing a voiceover. And right now I'm just showing y'all the products that I'm going to be using today. And my edges is just sweated out. Right here I have detangled my hair off camera, and I'm just deciding which way I wanted to wear my hair. I was going to do like a middle part, but I decided to just do a side part and kind of a swoop. Alright, so here I'm just showing y'all again the Blueberry Bliss conditioner I'm going to be using. Throughout this video I'm going to be brushing my hair, so I just want to make sure it's moisturized. My hair has been straight for almost a month now, so I don't have any kind of oils or anything in there, and I just want to make sure while I'm brushing, I'm not causing like any excessive damage or breakage or anything. I don't have time for bald spots, so just want to make sure my hair is moisturized. Also, I just want y'all to keep in mind, this is not, and I repeat, it is not by any means a how-to or a tutorial of how to do this hairstyle. This is just something I decided to do on a whim. We're all quarantined, we're locked up in the house, can't really go nowhere, so, I just figured, why not? It's content that I need on my channel, so, if you follow this video, follow at your own risk. Again, this is not a tutorial at all, but I hope y'all enjoy. Alright, so at this point I'm just brushing my hair and make sure I have it in the right position I want it, the right shape, make sure the swoop is how I want it to be. This process is extra tedious for those who, have natural hair or just hair period. Doing this is just a tedious process. So just stop looking at, make sure, it is how I want it to be. So that's all I'm doing right now. Alright, so now I'm going back, just adding a little bit more gel around my edges in the areas where I feel like I may need it. I did get it pretty smooth, but I'm just going back over just a little bit, just smoothing over it with my brush again. Alright, so now I'm just taking the hair. I just took it out of the pack. I'm just running my fingers through it to make sure there's no tangles or anything. And then also I'm going to take some more of that moisturizer, the leave-in conditioner that I showed y'all, and just put it on my hair to make sure it's as smooth as possible. And then I'm taking the rubber band that the hair initially comes with and wrapping it around my actual ponytail. I saw this method on another video on YouTube, and I thought, it looked the easiest, so I just went ahead and tried it that way. Here, I'm just taking out a little piece of the hair, and that way, once I finish braiding it down, I can wrap it around the base of the ponytail. You'll see what I mean at the end if you don't know what I mean right now. But yeah, I'm just taking out that little piece of hair. And right about now is where the struggle starts. I struggled so much with this hair. I'm not even sure why I brought the expressions hair, because I know it's a hassle. I kept having to comb it and brush it out, and I had to stop the video. So by the time I realized that I was pretty much halfway done braiding it, I went ahead and started again. So basically the only thing y'all missed was me struggling like I'm doing right now. So I'm just continuing to braid the hair down all the way to the bottom, and my fingers look so awkward. Like, my hands are hurting so bad. I took my hair down so many times, and sorry, I wasn't flicking y'all off. I was just, aggravated. This hair is really just pissing me off right now. But by the time I got to the end of the ponytail, my fingers were cramped. They was hurting. I just don't see how hairstylists or braiders do this every single day. So right now, I'm just taking the hair tie and tying it around my ponytail. I think the first one did break. There you go. So I had to do it again, and then I finally got it. So yeah, I'm just tying it around the end of my ponytail. And now I'm just kind of going back over the braid and kind of not pulling it apart, but making it to where it's not as tight. And now this is where I was saying you take the little piece of hair that I left out, and I'm just going to put a little bit of gel on it so it's, smooth, and I wrap it around. And I'm just going to start to wrap it around the braid. And now I'm just going back just to lay down my edges and baby hair. And now this next part, I'm just showing you that what I did with the end of my braid is I went ahead and dipped it in water. For all of my black girls out there, you know this process. When you get your hair braided, you gotta get the ends dipped. So this is what I was doing. As y'all can see, the end looked like a lion's tail at first, but after I dipped it, it kind of made it, a lot slimmer. And it also helps the hair to move a lot better so it's not as stiff. Also, please leave enough room to where you are not dipping your natural hair in the boiling water, because that would just not be good. So, don't do that. And I'm just drying it off right now, and this is the finished product. And I decided to add in these little clips. I thought they were cute. I got them from the beauty supply. They were like $1.99 each. I don't know why. I literally have an obsession with my lips and lip gloss. So yeah. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Bye.